Welcome to Hungry Kids channel. First, soak the dried shiitake mushrooms in cold water, which will require approximately half a day. Peel the gobo, which is burdock root in English. Mommy uses the back of a knife. Cut the gobo into pieces that are appropriate in size for the pot. And soak in water to remove bitterness. Mommy cut the remaining gobo to make her favorite gobo chips. Cut the carrots into pieces that are the same size as the gobo. Cut the rehydrated mushrooms into small pieces. Add the soaking liquid from the mushrooms and water to make it a total of 300 milliliters. Add sugar. Japanese sake. And soy sauce into the water. Then mix together. Add the gobo into the pot. Now, pour the prepared water into the mixture. Simmer over medium heat until the water evaporates. While simmering, let's prepare the omelette. In a bowl, combine sugar, salt, and 3 eggs and mix well until fully incorporated. Add water. Mix well again and pour the egg into the heated pan. Cook until it becomes slightly firm. When it's ready, fold it in half. Repeat this process until all the egg is used up. It looks so delicious. Mommy always packs this egg roll into my lunchbox. She cut a piece to give him a sample. Yummy! Now she's going to cook sakura denbu. Sakura denbu is a pink-colored topping made from dried goldfish flakes. First, microwave the fish briefly to remove excess moisture and make it easier to cook. In a pot, combine Japanese sake. sugar. And beet juice made from boiled beets. Cook the fish in the pot until the liquid has evaporated. Beautiful and vibrant color. Of course, he wants a sample. To make the sushi rice, after the rice is cooked, pour the lemon juice, sugar, salt, and mix all together. Normally, vinegar is used for this rice. But Mommy uses lemon juice because we have so much lemons in our backyard. Everything is now ready to prepare futomaki. This is a makisu, a bamboo mat used for rolling futomaki. First, seaweed.
こっちツルツルで、こっちがダラダラ。ツルツルの方が外側。
He loves seaweed and always eats it as a snack.
そしたらご飯をのっけます。
Rice on it. Place the cooked vegetables.
同じの持ってるでしょ今。あとはほうれん草、茹でたのほうれん草。
This is boiled spinach, but you can also use other leafy vegetables as well.
作った桜でんぶる。ちょっとやりにくいな。きれい。
Sakura denbu adds a vibrant and eye-catching color to the dish.
お店でも売ってんだけどさ、お店で買うとさ、いっぱいさ、体に悪いものが入ってる。最後にきゅうりを入れて
Place cucumber as the final ingredient in the roll.
で、もう一回最後までくるくるくるくるくるくる。できたかな？できたかな？あ、落ちちゃった。食べちゃう。よいしょ。おいしいね。人参も食べる。
It looks authentic. Great job, Mommy. Even though it's recommended to let it sit for a while, Addie couldn't wait and Mommy decided to cut it right away. He can't even wait for it to be cut, so eager to try it. You can include a variety of ingredients in the futomaki such as raw fish, shrimp, avocado, and lettuce. The possibilities are endless. Mommy sometimes makes Korean version with kimchi and yakiniku. Get creative and share your unique futomaki creations with us in the comments. Thank you for watching.